If you can't manage $100, you won't manage $100,000, not because of income, but because of behavior. In 2026, information is free, apps are free, access is unlimited. And yet, most people still lose money. Why? Because they try to turn $100 into $10,000, instead of turning themselves into investors. Today, I'll show you exactly how to invest $100 in 2026, step by step. No hype, no gambling, no fantasy, just strategy. And if you want to be financially free in the near future, subscribe to this channel. Let's kill the illusion first. $100 will not make you rich, but it will do something more important. It will build your investment identity. There are two types of beginners. Type 1, where can I double this fast? Type 2, how do I build a repeatable system? The first one chases excitement. The second one builds wealth. We are building the second. Step 1, financial foundation check. Before investing, ask yourself 3 questions. 1, do I have high-interest debt? If yes, pay that first. 18% credit card debt beats any market return. 2, do I have at least a small emergency buffer? Even $300 to $500 matters. 3, am I investing from clarity or desperation? Desperation creates bad decisions. Liquidity creates power, even with small capital. Step 2, choose the right platform. Simplicity wins. In 2026, the biggest advantage isn't access, it's simplicity. You want low fees, fractional shares, ETF access, no leverage pressure. Avoid platforms that push 20x leverage, meme coin banners, trending now hype. You are not a trader, you are building capital discipline. Simple platform, simple structure, long horizon. Step 3, structure your $100 core strategy. Here's a clean framework. 70% core market exposure, $70. Broad diversified ETF exposure. Why? Because betting on the entire economy beats betting on your ego. Diversification protects beginners from emotional mistakes. 20% asymmetric bet, $20. Optional. This can be tech-focused ETF, AI exposure, emerging markets, sector you understand. This gives learning plus potential upside without risking the core. 10% liquidity, $10. Yes, keep some cash. Why? Because investing isn't about being fully invested. It's about optionality. Liquidity builds psychological stability. Alternative strategy. Invest in skills. Now let's talk about something controversial. In early stages, your highest ROI might not be the market. It might be yourself. $100 invested into a specialized skill, AI tools, financial education, sales knowledge, digital leverage could increase your income potential. Income growth versus small portfolio growth. Capital scales when income scales. So one powerful split could be $60 market, $40 skill. That's strategic compounding. Step 4, automation and behavior design. The real power isn't the first $100, it's repetition. Set a rule. Every month, automatic deposit, even $25 to $50. Automation removes emotion. Emotion destroys beginners. Your job isn't to predict markets. Your job is to stay consistent. Step 5, understand risk, the real enemy. Your biggest risk with $100 isn't volatility, it's impatience. You'll see, plus 7%, minus 5%, plus 12%, and feel something. Ignore feelings. Zoom out. Investing is boring, and boring wins. If it feels exciting, you're probably speculating. What not to do in 2026. Do not day trade $100. Use leverage. Chase viral coins. Buy something you don't understand. Panic sell on red days. Speculation rewards ego. Compounding rewards discipline. Different games. Identity shift. The goal of your first $100 investment is not profit, it's identity. From consumer to investor, reactive to strategic, emotional to structured. When identity shifts, behavior follows. When behavior stabilizes, capital grows. If you can manage $100 calmly, you'll manage $1,000. If you can manage $1,000, you'll manage $100,000. Money amplifies habits, so start small, but start correctly. Subscribe to FreeMan if you want to build wealth intelligently, not emotionally. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.